In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Freshdesk API key. This is a crucial step if you're looking to integrate Freshdesk with other tools or automate some of your workflows. Your API key is unique to your account and acts like a password for these integrations. So let's dive into the process of locating it within your Freshdesk account. First step, you need to log into your Freshdesk account. Typically, this is done through a web browser by heading to your company.freshdesk.com, replacing your company with your actual company name. Once you're logged in, take a look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you should see your profile picture or avatar. Go ahead and give that a click. Upon clicking your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select Profile Settings. This will take you to your personalized settings page where various details about your account can be found. Once you're on the profile page, focus your attention on the right-hand side. This is generally where you'll find the section labeled API Key. The API key is a string of characters that uniquely identifies and grants you access to the Freshdesk API. You should see it displayed here. Now all you need to do is copy this API key by clicking on it or using the copy function. This copied key is what you'll use to authenticate API requests. Just remember, this key is sensitive information. Think of it as a password. You wouldn't want to share it publicly or with anyone who shouldn't have access to your Freshdesk account. An important aspect to note is how you use this API key. When you're making API requests, use this key as the username. In most scenarios, you'll leave the Freshdesk account password field empty or set it to X. Always ensure you're following the instructions specific to the tool you're integrating with to avoid any issues. If for any reason you suspect your API key has been compromised or you wish to change it, don't worry. You can regenerate it. To do this, reach out to your Freshdesk administrator or contact their support team for assistance in issuing a fresh API key. By now, you should have successfully located and understood how to handle your Freshdesk API key with care. Remember, safeguarding this information is essential when it comes to maintaining the security and integrity of your account and integrations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you understand the process a little better. If you have further questions or need additional support, feel free to reach out to Freshdesk Support or dive into the documentation for more in-depth information. Happy integrating!